Hey guys, it's Artsy Crafty Emma. I know it's been a long time, but it's been a heck of a semester. So, as you know, everybody's quarantined, so I'll be starting a crafting and quarantine series. So that should be fun. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make pom-poms. And I'm addicted to making pom-poms. I'm making a rug and I put them on almost everything. It's insane. So, Kent State closed for the rest of the semester. I'm stuck here for 5 months. Not too happy about that, but at least I got my yarn. So let's get to the video. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like when you use different kinds of yarn. So this is when you use like the baby yarn. Surprisingly, it looks like a store-bought pom-pom, believe it or not. I know the lighting stinks, it's dark outside, and this is just like the regular worst yarn. I have these ends so I can tie it on something, but it doesn't really matter what kind of yarn you use as long as you use yarn. But today I'm going to be making a fluffy pom-pom using this curly, I have no idea what it's called, but I just found it underneath my bed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my pom-pom maker, which I got from Joann's. It came in a pack of 2 for like $7, and you know they always have coupons, so I got it for like $3.50 for 2, which was a great deal. So what I'm going to do is put this piece of yarn in the middle right here, and then you're going to wrap it around until you don't see any green. Then you put this through the middle, then you close it, then bring this piece of yarn right here. Then you start wrapping around again. I did this 3 to 5 times around. Last round. So bring your yarn through the middle and you're gonna close your pom-pom maker. Using sharp scissors, you're gonna cut the end, and this is really important. You have to keep this pom-pom maker closed at all times, especially when you're cutting it. Okay, so you're gonna get your scissors and cut down right in the middle, and this is the most satisfying part in my opinion. You're gonna cut along the line and make sure there's absolutely nothing in the middle. Then you're gonna flip it around, and then you're gonna cut the other side. I'm gonna cut about a 6-inch piece of yarn. It doesn't have to be that long, but I like to have longer strands. So then I'm gonna pull it through the middle, like so. Nice and tight. Tie a single knot, like this. Pull it nice and tight. Then you're gonna flip it over, bring the yarn around, tie 2 knots to make sure it doesn't fall apart. Make it as tight as you possibly can so it doesn't break. Pull really tight, and then, behold, you're gonna fluff it up. And if you see any sides sticking up, any edges sticking up, you're gonna cut it with your scissors so it's nice and even. Now you have your perfect pom-pom. Nice. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more videos since I have more time on my hands. And please stay safe, wash your hands. Wash your hands right now, please, okay? Okay, thanks for watching, bye.